Okay, this, the Earth, is just like a human body. It stays alive by keeping its internal fluid circulating. But how does it work? We can explore this if we look deep in the ocean, where a huge chain of underwater volcanoes produce the oceanic crust. This crust spreads and gets colder and heavier, so heavy that eventually it sinks down in the mantle. This is a process of nature's recycling that's happening up there in the cartoon. And it provides the force that pulls the continents toward each other until they collide and leave deep scars on the Earth's surface. And here is where medicine comes in. Not only because of scars, but because geologists, to understand all this, are using tools you are already familiar with, because of the way doctors use them. So we have geophysics, which consists of imaging and listening to the Earth's interior, very much like using X-rays or CAT scans. And we have geochemistry, which is analyzing the Earth's fluids themselves, just like blood sampling. This is the essence of my research, sampling Earth's live blood. But you might say, how can I get the samples? I don't have this kind of needle, of course, but I don't need it, because nature has already done the job. And the scars left after collided continents reveal the deep veins I'm looking for. One of these scars is in Spain. That's the one I'm studying. It's left after a dramatic collision 390 million years ago, and an exceptional amount of rocks have come up through it from more than 60 kilometers deep. By analyzing the chemical composition of their minerals with laser, we're able to understand how complex these collision zones are. And there really are plumbing systems where magmas and fluids interact with rocks. Just imagine all the sediments deposited on the ocean floor during millions of years, recycled deep in the mantle, reaching great depth and temperature, and releasing huge amount of water that then percolate and interact with rocks. What we found there is that this very water scavenges very interesting metals, such as platinum or gold, and traps them in minerals that we can now find close to the surface. And this is just a glimpse of how we can read the entrails of the Earth. But there's much more to discover, because this whole process of nature's recycling provides for 4.6 billion years old, the atmosphere, the ocean, and all the elements and resources that life and human civilization need. Our lifeblood from Earth. Thank you.